What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over Decentraland. We're up on our trade here. So we're sitting at 281. We're sitting up about 8.8% at a market cap of 5.06 billion. 24-hour volume, 964 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So nice bounce here for Mana. We've had three entries, 299, 273, 242 with our break even at 269. So currently we're up on our trade to the top here, about a juicy 5%. Now I have closed 50% of my trade just due to the fact that we are trending towards overbought on the 1 hour as well as on the RSI, and not always, but usually that can be an early indicator that you are going to see a bit of a retracement and a bit of a move back down. So if that does happen, our break even, let me pop it open to the 4 hour actually. Our break even is sitting at 269, so that will be our first entry. So I've closed 50%, and right here I'll put buy zone. So that break even price will now be our entry. So if it comes back down to 269, I'll close the rest of my trade. I'll break even and I'll re-enter once again. All right, guys. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. And if you're low leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Don't really recommend more than 2 to 3x leverage. So we're here on the 4 hour time frame, guys. Now what you can do is you can take your Fibonacci here from this previous swing low up to your swing high, and you can see we perfectly met the 1.618. And in many cases, not always, when it does come down to the 1.618, just as if you're in an uptrend, you're going to see a retracement. And you can see here we've seen a nice bounce. We actually broke back above the previous low, which is a good sign, guys. So you can take that Fibonacci out, and now you can take one from the swing high down to the swing low to give you your targets here. So I'd watch the 0.5, which is coming in about 285, and we have the golden ratio coming in about 299 where our first entry was. That would be a key level of resistance to watch. You can see there's support in this area, resistance right here, resistance here as well. That would be a major level where we could definitely get rejected. If we were to get back above the golden ratio, higher likelihood you're coming back up to where you started at $3.40. But if we do get rejected and we roll, we can see the continuation of the downtrend on the larger time frames, guys. So let's jump over to our next chart here. Actually, let's jump over to the daily. All right, here we are, guys, on the daily chart. So down here on our indicators, we're looking bullish, guys. We have the bullish cross on the stochastic RSI. You can see the blue line crossing the orange line. Actually, let me thicken these up a little bit just so they're more visible. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. As I do feel that's very important. But you know, if it's not a big deal to you, then just live your life. Do whatever makes you happy. Jacks are so corny. All right, guys, we're going to save it as default. We're going to get back into the video. So we've had the bullish cross on the stochastic RSI. The money flow is very low, just as we were right here, guys. We saw a bounce, bullish cross, beautiful bounce back to the upside. So a major level of resistance on the daily for Mana are the EMAs coming in at 287. We could definitely get rejected off the EMAs, but if we can get back above them, that is a very bullish signal. So that's basically it, guys. Just levels to keep an eye on. I do have a Fibonacci here pulled from the previous all-time high down to the swing low, and we do have resistance here that we're just pushing through at 272. The 0.382 and the 0.5 is coming in at about 319, and there is quite a lot of support in that area as well. So definitely could act as a major level of resistance for Mana. If we do come up and we simply get rejected, we roll over, guys. I will give you your levels of support. Let me actually pop back open to this chart. So 242, where I had a buy zone, see all the support in this area. That would be our next major level of support if we do just simply come up and get rejected and start to roll. But I have closed 50% of my trade for a 5% profit. Very happy with that. And if we do come back down to 269, I'll re-enter my trade. I'll break even on the rest. And then these entries as well will be buy zones 242. Let me just drop that in, actually. Sorry, guys, a little bit underprepared here. Oh, by the way, guys, probably no videos tomorrow or the next day as I will be traveling. So just want to give you guys a heads up. So we now have a buy zone at 242. Our first one will be at 269. And then we have 188 and I have 107. I should probably put a buy zone in between here somewhere, but there's not a lot of support in this area. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. Discord, let me quickly open up the Discord, guys. We have over 1,800 members in our Discord talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, $350 USD. You really can't beat it. They're posting chart patterns. Okay, I got it. So if you want to join an awesome community of traders and investors, as well as we have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones if you're looking for levels to take profit, to buy in if you want a dollar cost average into your trade, or if you're simply looking for confirmations to enter a trade based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, $350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.